When an object builds up charges, it can release a static discharge to a close object or person, often accompanied by a spark. This is an electrostatic discharge, also known as ESD. An ESD-safe material is dissipative, meaning that it will dissipate all charges that accumulate on the object. This is done by adding conductive filler into the polymer. The use of ESD-safe materials can save time and money and increase workflow efficiency. ESD-safe materials are predominantly used in the manufacturing of electronics and in industries that contain explosion risks, such as chemicals and powders. In such environments, sometimes thousands of electronics are created each day. Custom jigs, fixtures, and tools are required.